Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Thank you for joining me today. This is the card I have to share with you. Isn't it pretty? It's this lovely big floral birthday card. I hope you like it. Let me show you the stamp set. It's this one, Textured Floral. Sorry about the glare. And we're using a lot of these florals and sentiments, etc. So let's get started. Now the one I did before here was in Gorgeous Grape. This time I'm going to change it up and I'm going to be using Melon Mambo. So I have everything set up here in my Stamparatus. We're going to do some stamping. Just going to change the position of this one to here so I don't ink it up by mistake. And then I'm just going to quickly do the other two in some of this Old Olive. And then we'll see what we get. Give everything a good press down. Maybe a good bang down as well. Yeah. Didn't get the best impression there, but there we go. That looks fine to me. But I think I will maybe just go in once more. Just ink it up again. And do the same here. Getting ink everywhere, of course. It's de rigueur, isn't it? Yeah, that will do fine. Just gonna whoopsie daisy. There we go. Okay, so let's move this. And I'm going to clean up my mess because I want to use my Stamparatus still. So this is the simple chamois. It does squeak, I'm sorry about that, but it's brilliant at cleaning up all of this mess. See, does a really good job, squeaks and all. So we're going to take off all of these stamps, and until I put everything away, I'm for quick and ease, I'm just going to stick them all on the front of my, this one doesn't want to come up, on the front of my stamp case. So really simple like that. And then I'm going to get out these blossoms here. And this is mainly why I use the Stamparatus. I know it's retired, but I still use it because it's a great tool. And I paid for it, so why not use what you have rather than having to buy something new? You can just faff for too long. So we're not going to do that. Just put it back in the corner as best we can and ink up. Yeah, looks fine to me. It's meant to be very sketchy anyway. So what I'm going to do next is get back this simple chamois thing and clean that up. And I'm going to get my sentiment out. Too many stamps. You can see we're using a lot of stamps, stamp heavy. And I'm going to just, while I've got this here, I'm just going to stamp anywhere will do. So we're going to cut this out. My sentiment. We're just going to stamp this in Old Olive. Okay, just like this. Now this leaf here, I'm going to stamp it a few more times just off camera, and then I'm going to cut everything out using the matching dies here, and then I will be back. So everything is cut out here, and I just cut out our sentiment using my trimmer. So let's bring back all our pieces. This is our original card, so that I'm going to put there. Our card base this time is going to be Melon Mambo. So I've got an insert here, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10. And Tombo's in a splodgy mood. I'm just going to put this on the inside. Just like that. And then I've got another piece of basic white, measures the same, and I put it through this embossing folder called Timber. And just gives some lovely texture in the background. So we're going to stick that down next. Okay. Just to the front. Oopsie. Turn it over. There we go. And then we're going to put our sentiment here, but I wanted to pop from the background. So I'm just going to get my sponge daubers and look for a greeny one, which is this one. I think there's still, I'm going to use your old olive ink, but I think there's still some ink on my sponge dauber from making the last card, and there is, you can still see. So I don't need to use any new ink. It's not useful. There we go. That just helps it to pop from the background. Now I'm going to pop this up in some dimensionals, so let's do that quickly. Don't have a lot of dimensionals left. Be able to start a new sheet. Okay, let's get the backings off. There we go. Toodaloo. And we're just going to put this somewhere like that. So now we can start to faff about and arrange our flowers. So I love this pink, it's really pretty. Let's have a look, where do we want stuff to go? Something like, let's have some greenery here so it's not floating. Maybe like that. And some more greenery there. I think we need some on this side to balance it out. You can spend ages faffing with this, so let me faff with it. Hang on, let me see. What do you think? I'm not sure about the greenery on this side, but I think it does need it. What do you think? Do you think that when you make a floral arrangement that you need that greenery is important? I think so. That'll do. Let's use up what we've cut though, so let's try and have this one in as well, maybe there. And I'm going to just sort of follow what I did before as a guide, because I like that. And that down there, and then maybe that one. Yeah, that will do fine. So let's remove the center one here and start to glue down our greenery at least. So just a bit of Tombow on the back, not too much. I'm going to move these. On this big one I'm going to pop up on dimensionals. I'm only going to put a couple for now in the centre so we can tuck easily underneath. But since this is our main flower, this will sort of give it its something to build the rest of the arrangement around. So let's put that there. And tuck that in like that. And I'm not putting a lot of glue on, so it's just easy to tuck as you want to. Let's put this one in here. And if you don't press down hard on the dimensionals, they will lift. They will lift for you. And then yeah, needs to be down here. Let's put a little bit, but not much. I'm not gluing. I'm going to tuck it in quite a bit. Yeah, that's okay. So I'm going to put a bit of glue on the base here, this one, and I'm going to stick a dimensional on the top, and then I'm just going to have this there on top of that, and then we've just got this little one to tuck in maybe there. Okay, what do you think? I hope you do like the card. If you are enjoying this project, I would be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and it's always appreciated if you could subscribe to the video, to my channel. It really helps my videos become more visible on YouTube. Now we have some of these glossy dots we used before. Now let's see. You think this pink will match? I think it actually will. So let's have a few of these and just dot them around. I'm really not paying any attention to where. I'm just putting them somewhere. There we have it. You've got your pink version, Melon Mamba, and your purple Gorgeous Grape. Let me know which you prefer. I love to read your comments, so please do let me know. If you're wanting more information about the project, measurements, supply list, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the link to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.